What's up, guys? So right now, guys, is I don't have any to do right now because I'm going to vlog with two reasons. Then right now, we're going to change the channel to my sister inside of it. So yeah, okay, stand by. Okay, where's the remote? Okay, there. Wait, where's the remote? We're going to change the channel. Mm, there. Oh, are you happy?
Yes.
Idiot. What's up, guys? So I am here in the outside with a little bit rain showers out there, as you can see. So it's rainy. It's rain. That is the real rain, as you can see. Yeah, and we have some dogs here. Hello, keeper. And by the way, guys, what I am doing this vlog because okay, and just hang out there and walking around the house every day, or sometimes if you have something I'm not going to make it off or making going to do, just going to oh yeah, that's what I'm going to do, just walking around here just only 3 times. So right now, I already walking around for 2 times, so there are only one left. Okay, last one. Yes, and there you have it. I'm done for walking around the house for 3 times. To do right now is to check my if my rice is totally cooked or not. So we're going to find out. Okay, we're going to get the outside. We're going to outside to the kitchen. Excuse me, and we're going to reveal if there's something the rice is cooked or not. Let's see. So, ooh, it's so freezing. Okay.
Wow!
Oh yes, thank you very much. It's cooked. So thank you very much for the greatest light at all. This is the alternative way and very easy to use. Before I'm going to complete that, I already complete the canning or rice. So we're going to make or we're going to find a egg and we're going to throw of it and smash it. Okay, stand by. And there you have it. So I'm going to pick this. I don't know which is one there. I think this is the good one. And then we're going to go outside. There. Here is the egg. And we're going to throw. Phew. Ooh, the egg is in the down. Okay. And now we're going to smash. Okay, done. Like and subscribe. Okay, we're going to wash. So we're avoiding the investigating. Okay, okay, okay. Wash, 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 wash. Just erase all the investigating. The clues. Just erase the clues. There you have it. So thank you for like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and Luis Vlogging sign off.